Festool is a well-known power tool brand that offers quality and innovative tools for professionals and DIYers. So in today's video, we will show you some coolest Festool power tools that you should have. Let's start with the Festool KA65 Edge Bander. It's a versatile and portable edge banding machine designed for professional use in both the workshop and on job sites. This tool is capable of applying edge banding on a variety of materials, including wood, plastic, and laminate, and can handle curves, circles, convex, and concave radii and inside corners. The best part of the KA65 is its electronic controlled precision glue distribution system, which ensures maximum adhesion and a clean finish. It also includes an adjustable temperature control, a variable speed control, and a dust extraction port for improved working conditions. In addition, the KA65 has a comparative compact design and ergonomic shape, which makes it easy to use and transport, making it an ideal option for small workshops and professional carpenters. Before taking on any renovation project, you need to keep a reliable and efficient tool to work like a pro. That's why Festool designed the Festool RG150 renovation grinder that is perfect for those who demand power and precision. It boasts a 1600-watt motor, which makes it capable of handling even the toughest jobs, making it ideal for working with soft materials over large surface areas. On top of that, the tool also features D handles for safe and comfortable handling, plus the efficient dust extraction and automatic seal with a guard stand for a clean and safe workspace. And thanks to its MMC electronic system, the RG150 maintains constant speed under load. It also includes an electronic monitoring of wind temperature and a supporting base. With cushioned grips and tools for quiet operation and minimal vibration, this tool has everything you need to get the job done. Among professionals and DIYers, multi-tools are highly regarded for their power and versatility. Keeping that in mind, Festool made this Vectoro RSC18. This oscillating multi-tool is packed with features that make it an essential item to tackle a variety of jobs. This multi-tool comes with a keyless quick change system, which makes swapping out accessories a breeze. No matter whether you're cutting, sanding, or scraping, the Vectoro RSC18 makes it easy to get the job done. It also includes optional system accessories that enable you to make precisely guided plunge cuts and saw with minimal dust generation, even when working overhead. And let's not forget about the brushless EC Tech motor with variable control speed, which lets you work at your own pace. And with complete cordless mobility, you can take the Vectoro RSC18 anywhere you need to go. The Festool CT15 Dust Extractor is an ideal tool for those who often clean up dust and debris from different job sites. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it easy to carry and transport to different locations. The CT15 has a 3.96-gallon container volume that allows for extended periods of work without having to change the filter bag. And the best part? Well, the touch-operated controls make it so easy to use and feel so premium. The CT15 also comes with cleaning accessories, which are included and stored within the unit, making it convenient to clean up any mess on the job site. Thanks to the flat storage area, this dust extractor greatly stores consumables like sandpaper, screws, and nails. Additionally, an elastic tie-down strap is included to secure the vacuum hose on top of the CT, making it even more convenient to transport. Wallboard hanging is a crucial job that requires a serious drywall gun. This is the Festool DWC18 4500 cordless drywall gun, built for the pros and makes the installation of drywall easier and less tiring. One of the most notable features of the DWC18 is its on-demand push and drive system. This means that the motor only runs when the screw is being driven, which helps to conserve battery life and reduce noise. The gun also features an electronic cutoff that ensures consistent and accurate screw depth and a precision micro adjustment for excellent depth control. It equips a brushless motor that provides quiet, smooth, and tireless operation. Another great feature of the tool is its compatibility with commonly available collated screws. This makes it a versatile solution for a wide range of drywall installation projects. Next on the list is Festool KAPEX KS120 REB. It's a top-of-the-line sliding compound miter saw, highly regarded for its precision and versatility. It has a rail-forward structure that allows for increased precision in a compact footprint. The dual laser allows for easy alignment of cuts from either the left or right side. The lasers clearly define the material that will be removed during the cut, making it easier to achieve precise cuts. Thanks to the upfront rotary knob, the Capex allows for micro adjustments on the bevel angle. Not just that, this tool also features highly effective dust extraction up to 91%, ensuring a cleaner work environment and prolong the life of the saw. Other notable features of the KS120 REB is the lightweight design, quality components, and easy adjustments. All of these make it an excellent choice for both workshop and job site use. Ready to take your cutting game to the next level? With the Festool RSC18, you'll be sawing up walls, floors, and ceilings like a pro. This tool is powerful, flexible, and easy to use. With its robust EC-Tech motor, you'll be slicing through materials like butter, while the pendulum stroke ensures maximum efficiency. Plus, its low level of vibration gives you smoother guidance and protection for both you and the tool. Hold on, there's more. This saw comes with a variety of saw blades that can be quickly changed with the special chuck, and everything is neatly stowed in the sysstander, so you'll always be ready to go. On top of that, it has a large variable speed trigger that offers a smooth startup and perfect control. And with the dust extraction device and integrated LED, you'll have a dust-free workspace and optimal lighting for every cut. Whether you're a professional woodworker or just enjoy tinkering in your garage, the Festool CYS50 is the perfect tool for you. It's a compact table saw, but it fits in a sysstainer and packs a mean punch. This cordless table saw may be small, but it's mighty. It can easily handle parallel cuts up to 280 millimeters, cross cuts up to 450 millimeters wide, and angled cuts from -2 to 47 degrees. The best notable features of this saw is the centrally positioned display with its non-slip dial, which makes operation easier than ever. Let's not forget to mention the brushless EC-Tech motor and dual battery system, which brings powerful performance and provides long run times. So why settle for a bulky, clunky saw when you can have one that's small, sleek, and seriously impressive? Okay. Your woodworking project will never look professional unless you edge it properly. That's where the Festool OF1010 comes in handy. Despite having a smaller shape and lightweight ergonomics, this router is capable of tackling a wide variety of routing applications, from profiles and grooves to rabbets and dovetail joints. And with quick and easy bit changes, you'll be able to switch between jobs in no time. The thing that really sets the OF1010 apart is its precision and consistency. You can adjust the routing depth to between 1 and 10 millimeters and guide columns on both sides. Thanks to the chip extraction system integrated into the router base, it allows you to work cleanly and efficiently without making a mess. The OF1010 is a top-quality router that's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It's built to last with quality materials and gets all your edging jobs done in the blink of an eye. Are you tired of wimpy cordless drills that can't handle the tough jobs? So let's wrap up today's list with the Festool TDC18. This tool comes with a subcompact design and boasts a long-lasting EC-Tech motor, making it perfect for handling everything from heavy-duty screwdrivers to precise drilling. Thanks to its fast-fix interface and 4-speed metal gearbox, you can easily switch between drilling, screw-driving, angular drilling, and angular screw-driving in a snap. No tools required. The TDC18 isn't just tough and versatile, it's also convenient. With a bright LED light and depth stop mechanism, it lets you work in any condition. And you can even control the light with the Festool Work app. So if you want a cordless drill that's as hardcore as a heavy metal concert, the Festool TDC18 is the way to go. So that was the list of the coolest Festool power tools that you should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.